In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blade insert of a Toyota Camry 2011. So instead of replacing the entire wiper blade, I'm just going to replace it with this rubber insert. I'm going to show you how. First of all, we are going to get the wiper blade off of this arm by unlocking this lock. It is snapped in place from here. I will insert a screwdriver here and push it up. I'll show you how. Now I'm going to remove it. The lock is flipped up. I turn it up a little bit, move it down, move it a little bit down, and then up. Here it is. So basically this is a U-shaped lock. This goes in and up into that lock. So after I have removed it, now comes the all across the length of the wiper there is this white steel rib running on both sides, one on this side and the other on this side. As you can see, the end of the insert is different from here as compared to here. So this side is, which is towards the driver's side, and the other side is towards the passenger side. The same goes true on this side. So all I need to do now is get a hold of it from both sides, the steel ribs, and pull it towards myself, here towards the camera. It requires both hands, so I'll stop it for a minute and then I'll start again. Put that rib into the new insert on one side. I'll go to the other side next. This is how it looks. You just have to be careful that the side which locks in towards the driver's side has to go in correctly, otherwise it's just a simple procedure. So this is done. Now I'll go towards the other side. That is, remove the rib from the old insert. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah. So remove the insert and then put it in the next one, the new one. So I have partially removed it. As you can see, this sits inside this groove. So I'm going to remove all of this from one side first. Done from one side. Now I will put it in the new insert, and first let me see which side is the driver's side. Okay, yeah, this is where it will lock, so it will go in like this here, all the way. Let me do it. It requires both hands. So this is how the wiper blade looks after having removed the rubber insert, and this is the insert after removing it, and this is the steel rib I was talking about. You just pull it out like this. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. It requires both hands. So as you can see, I have pulled it out this side. This was locked in. Similarly on the other side, this one. So I'll pull it out completely from this wiper blade and then replace the insert. I'll show you how. On both sides, here and here. Now I'll just slide it in from this side all the way up to there. I'll show you. It requires both hands, so I will not be able to show you when I'm starting. I'll show you. So this is now, I have just inserted it a little bit. There you can see this. this, 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 and the final lock. So I'll pass it all the way from here up till the end, and that's it. The final bit is this. Now I'm going to push it a little bit harder so that this open space is occupied by this lock. I'll show you now how. Here is how it looks finally when inserted properly. You can see the lock here, all the way up till there. Okay. Now the next step is just put this wiper insert back, wiper blade back. I'll do this, flip this up, insert the wiper arm here, let it go in, and then as I showed you there, it has a U shape. The wiper arm has a U shape, and which will snap in here. So first of all, you push it like this and then pull it up. And once it's properly in place, you lock this from here. Okay, as you can see, this is the wiper arm. What we are going to do now is, as I mentioned, I'll first of all flip this open and insert it like this here. Once it goes below that U, I pull it up, locks in place, as you could have heard the snap, and now I'm going to this is done. You can do both wipers like this. It is much cheaper to change the insert, which is hardly $8, as compared to changing the complete wiper blade, which is I think $25. Thanks for watching.